Magandang oras mga kart lover. Meron tayong balita ngayon. Ito'y medyo nakakalungkot dahil isa sa ating mga idol sa Hollywood movies. Walang iba kundi si Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris ay pumanaw na pala nung ilang araw pa lang ang nakaraan. Hindi gaanong nababalita dahil natatabunan sa mga isyu ng Iran-US war eh. Kaya ito atin panoorin ang huling sulyap natin kay Chuck Norris. Isa sa mga idol natin, di ba? Kilalang kilala, household name ito. Chuck Norris ay pumanaw na pala sa edad na 68. Ito ang balita Fox News Channel.
Family of Chuck Norris saying that the Walker, Texas Ranger star has died at the age of 86. Family of Chuck Norris saying that the Walker, Texas Ranger star has died at the age of 86. Carly Shimkus joins us now here in New York for more on the life of an American legend.
Man, oh man, American legend. Let's repeat that one. And we woke up to news yesterday that Chuck Norris was hospitalized in Hawaii. TMZ reported this happened on the island of Kauai over a medical emergency. We don't know the details of what that was just yet, but we do have indication that this happened all of a sudden because a friend of his said that they were talking on the phone. He was in good spirits. He was cracking jokes, and he just celebrated a birthday earlier this month. And I was looking at his social media, and he
napanood ko nga yun
noted his birthday by
mag-birthday si Chuck
sparring
Norris
with his trainer.
Last week, 86 years na birthday ay nagipag-sparring siya sa kanyang trainer. 86 years old eh, talagang matanda na yan eh, ang 86 years old. Kaya swerte na kapag umabot pa sa kanyang edad ang ganyan. Okay, kaya eto nga, nalulungkot tayo. Ako rin nalulungkot kasi ako ay isang martial artist nung kabataan ko eh. Idol ko si Bruce Lee, kaya naisama ko na rin sa mga listahan ng idol tong si Chuck Norris. Pero sa edad naman na 86 years old, ang nanay ko ay namatay 83, pero matanda na talaga tingnan ang 83. Pero si Chuck Norris ito, tingnan nyo, 86 na yan eh. Pero parang 70 years old pa, di ba? Parang 65 years old eh. Kasi pwede pa siyang sumipa eh, pwede pang mag-karate kick. Kasi siyempre, world champion sa karate to. Kaya nga, sikat na sikat, household name. At ang pasikat sa kanya walang iba kundi si Bruce Lee na tinaguri ang master of Kung Fu, si Bruce Lee, di ba? Isang mestizo Chinese ang nagpasikat sa kanya sa Enter the Dragon, ang unang pelikula ni Chuck Norris kasama ang sikat na si Bruce Lee. Kaya siyempre, huling sulyap natin kay Chuck Norris na ito pala yung itsura niya bago pumanaw, na parang 70 years old pa, pero yun pala 86 na. 86. Aabot pa kaya tayo sa ganyang edad, mga kababayan? Ako 52 na ako eh. 52 years old. Ano sa tingin nyo, mga kababayan? Mukha ba akong 52? Kung mukhang 52 ay mas okay kaysa mukhang bata, yun pala ay mahina na yung tuhod dahil katulad kay Chuck Norris, akala natin ano pa rin eh, kasi karatista eh. Pero yun pala, meron ng sakit sa ano niya, sa katawan niya na tinatago niya lang, pinapakita niya lang sa screen, sa mga kaibigan na maliksi siya kasi nga karatista, world champion, athlete. Pero yung pala meron siyang sakit na hindi nila sinasabi kung ano siguro high blood, yun lang naman pinaka-common. At 86 ay talagang marami ka ng sakit niyan. Okay, patuloy tayo sa video courtesy ng Fox News Channel.
As one does when you're Chuck Norris, and his caption was, "I don't age, I level up," kind of leaning into that internet. As one does when you're Chuck Norris, and his caption was, "I don't age, I level up," kind of leaning into that internet meme about himself.
What did the family have to
all
say?
sad today. And we have it here, if we could pull it up. Well, they released a beautiful and lengthy statement, and we have it here if we could pull it up. They say, "It is with heavy hearts that our family share the sudden passing of our beloved Chuck Norris yesterday morning. While we would like to keep the circumstances private, please know that he was surrounded by his family and was at peace. To the world, he was a martial artist, actor, and a symbol of strength. To us, he was a devoted husband, a loving father and grandfather, an incredible brother, and the heart of our family. He lived his life with faith, purpose, and unwavering commitment to the people he loved. Through his work, discipline, and kindness, he inspired millions around the world and left a lasting impact on so many lives." I mean, just imagine those beautiful words. Clearly, as they say, the heart of the family. He had 5 children, and of course, Walker, Texas Ranger was his main role that I think most people know about him in the movie world, but martial arts. I mean, he was a black belt in
Okay, so
7
itong
different
katabi niya
types
dito
of
si
martial
Michael
arts.
J. Fox yan eh, sa
Taekwondo, Brazilian
Back to the
Jiu-Jitsu,
Future.
karate.
Michael J. Fox.
What a career, what a
Isa rin
guy.
sa sikat na artista noong 1980s sa Make that Back to the Future movie. Michael J. Fox, di ba? Ayan no, matanda na rin si Michael J. Fox. Pero ako'y namamangha kay Chuck Norris. 86 years old, pero kung tingnan mo, parang 65 lang eh. Parang 65 lang, di ba? Tumatakbo pa yan eh, kasi athlete nga. Symbol of strength si Chuck Norris sa Amerika. Dahil nga siya yung nagbibida sa sa Delta Force, di ba? Yung Delta Force, pinaka-elite na yan eh, na selected personnel ng Armed Forces of America. Delta Force, siya yung nagbibida dun eh. Chuck Norris. Si Arnold Schwarzenegger, parang ganun din ang edad nito eh. Pero tingin ko mas matanda si Chuck Norris kay Arnold Schwarzenegger, mga kababayan. Kaya rest in peace, idol. Kami ay sasaludo sa iyo. Sa mabuting tao kasi to, kahit na karatista yan, pero walang inano yan. Walang binugbog yan. Mabait na tao, matulungin. Chuck Norris, merong foundation yan eh. Tinawag sa kanya sa Amerika ay Texas Ranger. Kasi nga merong siyang TV episode about a Texas Ranger na siya yung beda. Okay, so anong masasabi niyo dito mga kababayan, mga ka-idol, sa mga nag-idolize kay Chuck Norris at Bruce Lee? He may rest in peace. Magkikita na rin sila ni Bruce Lee kung saan man sa langit, mga kababayan, di ba? Alright, so magpaalam na, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa mga bago pa lamang. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Hanggang sa muli.
The ingredient is belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by